Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming hardware. Look for a VESA hole pattern on the back or a built-in pivot. This determines the only reliable approach. Once confirmed, power off and disconnect cables so you can work safely. Keep screws in a small container. If your monitor lacks pivot, get a VESA adapter or monitor arm rated for the weight. Measure the stand and clearance so rotation won't hit the desk. Now remove the current base or plate and prepare the VESA bracket for attachment. Next, align the VESA plate and hand thread the screws to avoid cross-threading. Tighten in an X pattern to distribute pressure. Once the plate is secure, lift the monitor onto the arm, get help if it's heavy, and attach 2 retention screws first, then the rest for firm contact. Route power and display cables through the arm cable channel, leaving 2 to 3 inches of slack so rotation won't tug connectors. Make course height and tilt adjustments now. You will fine-tune after rotating. Finally, rotate the monitor to 90 degrees until it clicks or the arm stops. Then lock the pivot and tighten any adjustment screws so it stays stable. In your operating system, open Display Settings and set orientation to portrait. Then confirm native resolution and scaling so text remains sharp. If the image won't rotate or shows black bars, update the graphics driver, check the cable type, or enable pivot features in the monitor OSD. If wobble persists, recheck.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.